Drowning in massive data sets and endless user requests? From sales, finance, inventory, to energy. Let's talk about your big challenges. In Power BI's matrix tables, developers must create multiple tabs and views for different teams, because once published, they're locked. Users can't analyze data freely or troubleshoot issues, and reports become flooded with slicers due to user requests. Plus, analysts spend countless hours crafting complex formulas for date-over-date, month-over-month, and year-over-year comparisons. With Flexa Tables, it's a game changer. Click the Flexa Tables icon to create a table. Drag your data fields into the column configurator so that your users can access them when needed. Hit Publish. Now users can pivot, add columns, customize, exactly like they're working in Excel. That's amazing. No more tabs, just one dynamic table. But the magic doesn't stop there. Watch this. Click Analytics, drag Date field, and wow, it calculates variance. Select any 2 days to compare instantly in just 2 seconds instead of months. You can also click Chart to visualize and interact with your data. Awesome! That's Flexa Tables. Work smarter, not harder.